Hi everyone, I'm Hoon.
Hello, I'm Husna.
I'm Jack.
I'm Jeevan.
Today I'm sharing with you why I chose to be a chartered banker.
My pursuit of the certification has helped me to better understand the banking industry, the regulatory environment, and the unwavering ethical standards that we must adhere to.
There is no doubt that nothing is better than learning or experiencing things personally for one to be called an experienced banker.
The chartered banker is perceived as the gold standard for professionals working in the banking industry.
The Chartered Banker program has given me a holistic view of the banking industry.
It has given me the knowledge and skills to be more effective in my role.
So of course, there are other qualifications offered by AICB on specific subject matters such as credit risk, internal audit, etc. etc. But the Chartered Banker qualification provides you with the breadth and depth of knowledge required in the banking industry. First as an external auditor, then as a practitioner within the industry itself. Having the Chartered Banker qualification has given others the confidence that I have the knowledge and experience to provide salient advice in my areas of expertise in banking, be it audit, financial reporting, or even credit review.
The chartered banker builds upon my accumulated working experience and further enhance it with strategic thinking. With the ability to view and analyze from different perspectives, it gives a competitive advantage in thought leadership. Most importantly, the chartered banker qualification adds credibility at work and ultimately leads to enhanced stakeholder management.
I've gained a deeper understanding about how the banking system works, its regulation, as well as lessons learned from the past incidents. Equipped with Chartered Banker knowledge, I am now more confident and able to have a better discussion with other departments, which also improve efficiency.
To aspiring chartered bankers, make the most out of the learning opportunities to add value to your career.
My biggest challenge during the journey was self-discipline and time management. Ever since I took up the challenge to become a chartered banker, I was determined to get to the finishing line. It might have taken a longer time, but the experience was priceless.
Overall, the value of the certification cannot be overstated. It has opened up new opportunities for me, and I'm definitely looking forward to continuing to grow in my career as a chartered banker thanks to AICB.